automatic transmissions vehicle is in the D gear and is moving, you do not have to change gears. Also, the automatic transmissions vehicle has two foot pedals, the accelerator and the foot brake. Moving off and stopping. To move off the car, confirm that it is safe to do so by checking the surroundings and the rear view mirror. When it is safe to move off, depress the foot brake fully and shift to drive gear. Release the foot brake gradually, then release the handbrake to move off. Without depressing the accelerator, the car will move at a very slow speed. This is known as the creeping phenomenon. Depress the accelerator to increase the speed. To stop the car, release the accelerator. Depress the foot brake till the car stops at the intended point. Continue to depress the foot brake even after the car has stopped. Apply the handbrake and shift the gear to park position. You can now release the foot brake fully. Reaction Response Course. The Reaction Response Course is a course designed to enhance your ability to manage accidental or unexpected forward and backward surging of the car. The objective of this lesson is to enhance your ability to respond should your car surge unexpectedly. This video will demonstrate how to pass through the reaction response course with the aid of the various sighting points. As you approach the course, consult rear view mirror, signal intention, reduce speed, and change gears if necessary. When turning left into the course, position the car parallel to and about 1 meter away from the left curb, or by sighting a quarter from the front left of the bonnet meets with the left curb. Drive forward slowly. When the left front door lock is in line with the left curb, check the left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left and turn into the course. When turning right into the course, position the car parallel to and about 0.5 meter away from the center line. Drive forward slowly till the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb. Ensure there is no oncoming traffic and check the right blind spot before turning into the course according to the curvature of the turn. When the car is inside the course and almost parallel to the left curb, return steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the ramp ahead. Immediately after the front wheel touches the ramp, stop the car. Next, accelerate to mount the ramp. Immediately after the car mounts the ramp, stop the car. The car must not hit the pole. At this point, reverse slowly to descend from the ramp. Once the car has descended from the ramp and is on the lot, stop the car. Check your surroundings and the rear to ensure that it is safe to reverse. Signal intention to the right and reverse the car slowly towards the lot. As you reverse, constantly check to ensure safety. When you look over your right shoulder and see that the center of the right rear door meets with the front right tip of the lot, full lock steering wheel to the right. As the car will swing outwards to the left, check your surroundings, in particular the left, to ensure safety. When the car is almost parallel to the right curb, return the steering wheel to straighten the car. Continue to reverse slowly to the ramp behind. Look at the right side view mirror for the ramp behind the car. Stop the car immediately after the rear wheel touches the ramp. Next, accelerate to reverse the car up the ramp. Immediately after the car mounts the ramp, stop the car. The car must not hit the pole. At this point, drive forward slowly to descend from the ramp. Once the car has descended from the ramp, stop the car. Check the front, left and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the lot. Signal left. Drive forward slowly to exit the lot. When the left door lock is in line with the left curb, full lock steering wheel to the left. When the car is in the lane, return the steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the exit of the course. Stop at the exit if necessary. Check the front, left and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the course. To turn left to exit the course, signal left and reconfirm safety to the right. When the left door lock has passed the left curb, check your left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. To turn right to exit the course, signal right and reconfirm safety to the left. When the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb, check your right blind spot and turn according to the curvature of the turn. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. Form up in the correct lane and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz question.